Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Martin, this is Lego Fan UK. Today we have a Ferrari Speed Champion set. This is set number 76895 and it's the Ferrari F8 Tributo. It's 275 pieces on sale for £17.99. Now I got mine for free. I won it on a subscriber giveaway. So thank you, and it's to AandAHobbies. Won it on his channel. Finally got around to building it, so I thought I'd do a review, see how it is. So check out the speed build, guys. Really nice. I really like this. I think this is really cool. They're a lot wider than the usual ones. So if you want to check out my speed build, I'll join you after for a review on this set and what I think. So here we have the Speed Champion Ferrari F8 Tributo, set number 76895, 275 pieces. Quite a cool looking Ferrari. I think this one actually is really nice. And we finally have a two-seater version of the Speed Champion sets, which is obviously what they've moved to now, Lego. So they've moved to 8 studs wide. Really looking forward to building this one. The box is really nice. Quite like how they put it on a cobble street. Obviously that's the real deal, so that'd be nice to have. They show the little minifigure in there. The Ferrari badge, and on the side, I like what they've done. Ferrari have gone, hang on, that's ours, and they've stuck a sticker on the side of it. So whether they sent a Ferrari employee out to Lego's factory and stuck them on, or they just got a reel of stickers. But yeah, really good. So we'll get this one built. So now this one is open, guys. Let's see what we get in here. So we get two bags, quite a large chassis piece, so it's 6 studs wide on that. A little sticker sheet, lots of different Ferrari stickers on there, and then obviously the manual, which we're looking at 67 pages, 82 stages, so God, it looks like you get quite a lot of wheels in here as well. So let's get building. So guys, here is a close-up, and this is my review of this Ferrari set. You get the one minifigure. It looks quite cool, quite hip. He's got his little jacket on, he's got his Ferrari T-Shirt, which he may have got free with his purchase of his Ferrari. But he's quite a cool little figure. He's got his little afro, happy face with bits of stubble, and then he's just content, as anyone would be if you owned one of these Ferraris. So you get the hairpiece, and you also get the helmet. So we'll get that out. I've just popped it inside the cab just to keep it safe. Pop them out, and you see how the cab opens up to put your figure in. So before we do that, we'll just pop him in, show how he sits in there. Like I say, you can get 2 minifigures in here, so there's enough room for 2. Whilst we're in the cockpit area, you've got your steering wheel, like dashboard's quite nice, and then you've got a little sticker inside. Don't know if you can see that. That is like where the gear stick and the centre console would be. So you've got a little sticker in there, so it's quite nice. And you've used 2x1 modified handle bricks for the back of the seats. The only problem I have found is with his hair on, you can't put the roof on. So it's not the best designs. I can't get him back any further. But if I put his race helmet on, get it on, you can see with his race helmet on, fits on snugly. So it's a bit of a random one. Obviously, if you can display it with the character out, you might want to put his hair on, but with him in the vehicle, as you can see, it doesn't quite push down. So if you've got another minifigure to go in with him, and it's a lady with like quite a big hairpiece, not gonna fit. But yeah, just show you again, just so it's not just a fluke. Yeah, with his helmet, he can fit in. So we'll have a look at this set, how it's built. Love the front profile of this. I think it's really interesting how they got all these sort of shapes using the different techniques, using these flat curve pieces. Side profile, especially his front, really nice. They've done a really good job with this. Absolutely love it. The windscreen is a printed piece, so this red on here is printed. You've got a couple of stickers, which represent the back window, and then these slope pieces here have got a dual red and black sticker. Using some clear pieces for the rear window. And then as we look at the back, you've got a couple of stickers for a number plate, which I put on extremely wonky, and the little Ferrari badge. I like how they've done these exhausts, quite nice. They use these little like connection tubes, and then if you just simply pop on. Wing mirrors, I think, are quite funky. They've done quite a good job with these. Nice and simple. But yeah, overall, obviously the doors don't open, none of the boot or bonnet open, but then it's only a Speed Champion set. It's not a full like creation set or Technic set, but really like it. You've got 2 different type of wheels. Obviously, if you want to change over the alloys, you get your trusty spanner, pop it through, and then you literally just pop that off, a bit tougher than I thought, and then you can change that up. What I like about these is you've got a disc detailing behind there. Pop your alloy back on, and away you go. Really smooth motion because there's nothing blocking these wheels, so that's quite nice as well. And if you've got a display, it goes really nice with your pieces. The front Ferrari badge is a sticker, so this is one sticker. They should have printed this in my opinion, because they've printed these tiny ones just in front of the wing mirrors on the wings. So they've printed those. These lights are stickers as well. So I I don't know how expensive it is for Lego to produce stamping, printing rather than stickers. Probably cheaper to do stickers, that's why we get so many of them. But the actual build for this, really like it, really nice. Thank you to AandAHobbies again for sending me this set as I won his competition. But yeah, really nice, like it. Good, nice low profile. Will look really good in anyone's collection, whether you have them on the wall, on a shelf or in a cupboard. Is it worth the $17.99 if you bought it? Yes, I think it would. There's a lot of pieces, and like I say, playability is good, and it just looks nice. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. As you see, it's quite a complex little build. Really good fun. Stickers are very random. What's the sticker and what is printed, so not sure what Lego thinking about that, why certain ones are stickers, certain are printed. I'm not sure if I'll be buying many more of these. I do really like them, but the problem is I'll end up buying more and more and more. So in the future I might get some, but I really like these sets. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.